Hey there, welcome to another video of GTK Beginner's Guide. This video is about beginner's mistake. Trading without a plan. Would you drive across the country without a map? That's what beginners do when they trade with no strategy. No exit rules, no entry rules, no risk limits, just vibes. Create a simple trading plan and stick to it always. Risking too much. Beginners often go all in, thinking they'll double their accounts fast, but gold can move hundreds of pips in a flash. If you risk 50% of your capital on one trade, one bad move can wipe you out. Never risk more than 1 to 2% per trade. Protect your capital first. Chasing the market, FOMO. Gold is pumping. I'll jump in now. 2 minutes later, the market reverses. Chasing the hype without a proper setup usually leads to regrets. Be patient. Trade your plan, not your feelings. Ignoring stop loss. Some beginners think I'll just watch it closely. Then price crashes and they freeze, watching the losses grow. Always use a stop loss, no exceptions. Overtrading. You don't need 10 trades a day. Trading too much increases stress, spreads, and mistakes. Focus on quality setups, not quantity. Changing strategies too often. One loss and you're off to YouTube looking for a better strategy. Switching constantly keeps you stuck in learning loops. Master one simple strategy before moving on. Trading without emotions. Sorry, trading with emotions. Revenge trading, fear, greed, they cloud your judgment. Accept that losses happen, stick to the plan, and manage your risk. Final thoughts. You'll make mistakes, it's part of the journey. But if you avoid these 7 common ones, you'll grow faster and smarter than most. Learn, adapt, stay consistent. That's how beginners become pros. That was all about it, guys, for this video. I'll see you all in the next video.